Can you see yourself in the 2023 Jeep Compass? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. The Compass delivers refined sophistication, versatile SUV capability, the latest safety features, and an adventurous spirit. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, touchscreen infotainment system, heated driver's seat, turbocharged engine, remote engine start, lane keeping assist, four-wheel drive, four-cylinder engine. It's the sophisticated beauty with bookish smarts. It's the Compass. Come in and drive it.